How to fix Nintendo payment not working. To fix the Nintendo payment not working, you simply have to clear your saved card info from the web browser or console, or simply link your account to PayPal as a quick workaround. So first of all, match the account and card regions. If your Nintendo account country settings is different from the billing region of your credit or debit card, the payment will also be denied. So make sure that this is matched. Now, all you have to do is open the Nintendo eShop on your console or simply launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Nintendo eShop. Now, once you're here within the official website, you simply have to tap on this user icon on the top right corner to open the account information and scroll down to the saved credit card and select delete and re-enter the card information manually at the checkout without saving it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.